My name Lake, and we gonna talk to you today about how to deal with comebacks, boy. Hit the like button, subscribe button, boy, and howdy do. Let me stop playing with y'all. Now! Alright, so you're working at the dealership. Let me say this again because my chair all loud. You're working at the dealership, getting comebacks. Yeah, you've been getting comebacks, right? So I'm just gonna give you a little tips on what to do. First of all, everybody gets comebacks. Just it's all on how. It's all types of variables that comes down to this. Now, are you a hard worker? Are you real? Are you shitty? When I mean shitty, dude, like, are you always messing up stuff? Are you sloppy? Can you a dependable worker? It all comes. I could keep naming all types of mechanics out there because there's a name for everybody literally. But you that bull, you've been out there, you've been messing up stuff, you've been getting comebacks left and right. You want to be Speedy Gonzalez and stuff. Pump the brakes, hit the brakes. You need to reevaluate your stuff. Comebacks will cost the shop money, will cost the technician money too. Meaning that when you get a comeback, I've been at some places. I've been at maybe 1 or 2 places. I think 2 dealerships I've been at. I had to pay for something. One of the things I had to pay for, I think, was a bracket for something. I remember at another shop, I accidentally, I don't know if you guys remember me doing a BMW on a 5 Series or whatever. I did an engine job on it, and I was at another shop or whatever. The one of the shops I've been at, y'all know, whatever. I pretty much, I accidentally cracked the transmission pan. The transmission pan is plastic, and I put a jack underneath the transmission pan, like a regular stand-up jack. I wish I had one to demonstrate you. Not a floor jack, but a regular jack, like jack stand. So I put the jack stand underneath the transmission pan, knowing that was plastic. I didn't even think twice about it. I went to go lift the engine up, and all I know is the jack stand fell. When it fell down, I don't know. All I see is oil everywhere. So it was my fault for putting a metal jack stand right underneath plastic oil pan. Now, that's different. That wasn't a comeback because the car was still there. It never left the shop. But if a car, you did a brake job, you left a bolt loose, that happens. I had that happen before. It's just, I don't know, you installed the transmission, you left maybe like 3 transmission bolts loose, or an axle nut loose, or ball joint bolt loose, or something you left loose and it's causing a leak. You did a valve cover gasket job and oil was pissing out on the corner of the cylinder head. Like, it could be whatever it is. You just got to reevaluate your stuff. Being a Speedy Gonzalez definitely will help you receive a lot of comebacks. Let me say it again. Being a Speedy Gonzalez will help you get a lot of comebacks. Now, versus the dude who takes his time, he's not really like fast. Yeah, you want to beat your flat rate time. Cool. It's the time for placing all of that. Certain jobs you can't be like rushing. Some jobs that's just like a walk in the park. You can go ahead and speed. But jobs that require attention and for you to be precise and take your time, and there's jobs that are tedious, you gotta take your time. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful, especially when you're doing big jobs like how I do big jobs all the time. In between doing this big jobs, it could be like little stuff, things that could tie you up, slow you down, give you a problem. And if you don't fix these things, you let the car come back. A car go out, the car will come back. So I ain't gonna sit there and you don't have to feel guilty. It happens. There ain't no mechanic that ever fixed a car that didn't have a comeback. Every mechanic that worked on a car, you know him or not, it don't matter. If he living in this planet, he worked on a car. At some point in time, he had a comeback before. He had a comeback. It happens. But after, a comeback, you gotta balls up. Like, I can't even say it. You pretty much, you gotta boss up. You gotta get your stuff together. You gotta reevaluate yourself. I can't even say the word. Figure out what can you do to improve so that way this won't happen again. Some places don't even tolerate comebacks. You could be, let's say if you a good technician, you turn hours and you make the place money, they love you, you like them. cool. One hand washes the other. You get a comeback, they're gonna overlook that. They're not gonna be on up your case about it or whatever. Just they might just say, hey, just be careful. They might just not say nothing because they trust you overall, and they knew that you did everything to try to avoid it, or something that you couldn't help, and it happened on its own, act of God or something like that. I don't know. But if you one of those technicians, you just be out there, you just causing havoc and ruckus, you just in there acting a fool, make just this every job you touch just turns into a disaster, a mess. A service manager borderline about to fire you, and you getting more comebacks, you're definitely gonna lose your job. They're not gonna tolerate that. If you causing a job money and you a lower level technician, be prepared to get fired. Just all I got to say. Just you gonna get the boot. You gonna get the boot. So listen, be careful. And that's all I got to say. Y'all see all of this stuff in the screen. Leekautorepair. P.O. Box number 4, Lansdowne, PA 19050. Want to send me some stuff? You can send me there. Anybody got any car questions? I don't care if you put the key in ignition, the car started, and you need to know the next step on what to do. I can help you. I don't care how rhetorical it is. I got you. Anybody want Leekautorepair insurance 25 plus shipping? Trying to figure out what else. Product reviews, like I said, send it to me. Get at me on the gram. I've always like messed up my outro because I gotta remember exactly what to say. But get at me on the gram, same as my YouTube, Leekautorepair. So I'm gonna close this because I ain't got time to keep on fumbling too. I'm tired. I literally came from doing a transmission job on a 14 Ultima. That car's out the door. That car is gone. Thank you for, thank myself for providing this, and yeah, it got me through the job. So good. I'll holla at y'all.